Welcome to my channel. My name is Christine and I did a huge Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to stick around and see it, I'd love to have you. So let's start with one of the things that I absolutely love. These are Scrub Buddies. They are amazing. These are my favorite sponges. I can't say enough about them. They don't smell. They don't get that dingy, stinky, dirty, filthy smell that all the other sponges get. Then you have to throw them in the microwave or you have to throw them in the dishwasher. These do not smell. I love them. I've been using them for, I don't know, over 20 years. So these are my go-to sponges. So yeah, go get them. They're great. They don't wreck your nails. They're soft. They produce a lot of soap. Like, you squeeze this and a lot of soap. Like, all you need is like 1 or 2 pumps of the soap and it produces so much more soap. I don't know. Okay, enough with the sponges. Then I got these, another Scrub Buddies. They are the quick erasers. These are so good. I don't use the whole thing. I rip a little piece off of it, whatever I need, and I wet it, and I clean whatever I gotta clean. Cleans everything. Clean stainless steel. I have to say, I use this on my toaster oven, and it is amazing. It takes everything off. And if you have like stainless steel pots, not on the inside, just on the outside, like on the bottom where it gets all like crummy and shkivats on the bottom, yeah, well, this is it. You use this and it takes it off. Don't use it on the inside, use it on the outside. I love them. Then when you're doing the dishes, I don't know. You need some rubber gloves. These are so nice. Look how pretty they are. Red and black, pink and black and white. It goes with my backdrop right now. So, then I love these. See these? The drying mats. I bought 2. One I can use. The other one, when it's dirty, I can wash it. So this way I always have one free that I can use. Let's see what else. I bought silicone pot holders. I bought 2 of them. 2 hands, so we don't drop the pot, the pan, whatever. I bought these because they're nice and flat. They don't take up a lot of room. They're good. They get dirty, you just throw them in the sink, you wash them up. I don't know what happened to my can opener, but for some reason it got legs and walked out of my kitchen and it hasn't returned. It went on vacation. So yeah, we had to buy another one of these. So I bought Betty Crocker's peeler. I don't know where mine went, but nobody seems to know where it went. So I had to buy another one. Then, let's see. I love these. I have 7. My husband's like, what are you doing with all these cutting boards? I'm like, well, you take one, you use it, you cut the meat, you throw it in the sink, there goes that one. Then, I needed to cut the vegetables. There's another one. Oh my God, I forgot to cut something else. We gotta whip out another one. It's just easier. Instead of I gotta wash the cutting board. They're $1. You buy them, you slide them in the cabinet, boom, boom, boom. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You're good to go. Then, let's see what else. I'm gonna make the tiered tray. I actually have the 3rd one, but I don't know where it is, so, we have the 2. Got the pizza pan, I don't know, the cake pan, and then I got the pie pan. It's somewhere, I don't know. But I know I bought it. Okay, so then I got the Essentials Extra Sticky. This stuff is great. You use this, take the hair off. I got the cat, I got the dog. You take the hair off with it, or I also use it for my lampshades, and I just clean the lampshades with it, and that's it. You rip it off, boom. Your lampshades are all clean. So I like those. Then, these are amazing. Essentials vacuum storage bags. I have bought that good one, and they're very expensive, and then boop, a hole goes through them, and there goes the very expensive ones. These are $1. They work just as great, if not better. I love these. So I stock up on them, when you're changing the seasons, you put all your clothes in there, or at like Christmas time, you have all the pillows, the throw pillows that, you know, you want like pretty pillows, or any season that you buy like the extra pillows, throw them in there, vacuum seal them, boom. Yeah, these are amazing. Like, even if you pop a hole in them, you don't care because they were only $1. But I always stock up on them because, you know, you can't have enough of these. So I tell all my friends, go get these because they work just as good, if not better. So go get them because the seasons are going to change and you're going to need them. So then, I don't know, let's go into the time of the year that's happening now. Okay, so hand sanitizer. Self-explanatory. Every fresh hand sanitizer. Let's see what it smells like. It's all right. You know, it's a hand sanitizer. Oh, wait, I forgot almost the most important thing. My haul. I love this stuff. See this stuff? I mean, if you watch my other haul that I have on the channel, I can't rave enough about this stuff. This stuff is amazing. I bought this stuff and my husband came home from work and he had a stain on his jacket and he said, do you think you could get it out? And I said, I don't know, I'll try that stuff. So I sprayed this on and I rubbed it in a little bit and I threw it in the wash machine and I washed it. It came out and it was perfect. There was no more stain. So just letting you know. But I've used this on everything and I love it. I think it's great. Go get this. Go get a bottle of this. It's amazing. Let's see. These are really pretty. I bought this for, you know, what's happening. So yeah. Cough, cough. We gotta we're gonna keep the thing around your, I don't know, your neck, so this way you don't forget, because my luck, I always walk to the store, and then actually the other day when I was shopping for this haul, I walked into the store and I didn't have it on, and the lady said, excuse me, where's your mask? And I said, oh, and I had to walk back to the car. So that's why I bought this thing. It's pretty though. It has like the little gold links. They had all different ones. They have ones with pearls. This one has gold links. I don't know. I thought it was cute. If I don't use it for that, I'll use it for my glasses. I don't know. We'll figure it out how to rig up the glasses with them. Then I scored big time. I saw this at Walmart. I don't know how much they were selling it for, but I ended up finding it at Dollar Tree. $1. And it sanitizes, disinfects, UV light, kills 99% of harmful viruses, germs, and bacteria. We're going for that. Can do the phone, keys, I don't know, anything. So I thought that was a great buy, $1. Toothbrushes, I don't know, toothbrushes. Always need them, stocked up on them. Colgate, soft. It's good to have backups. Then I bought this, what is this called? Personal Care Shave Gel. This stuff is amazing. You know, men, when they're shaving, they need to see like their sideburns and stuff. You can see right through this stuff when you put it on. It works amazing. I use it. My husband uses it. I use it, you know, for my legs and stuff like that. But I buy the pink one for myself. So, yep, they have one for girls and one for guys. Then, let's see, what else? If you watched any of my videos, you know about this. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used. It's $1. It's matte. It's not shiny. It stays on. It does not move. Once it dries, it's there. And it is amazing. Has like a nice brush tip. It's fine tip brush. It's not like that felt. I can't use them. They pull my eyelid and I don't know, I look terrible. So I can never make a fine line with that. $1. So yeah, best eyeliner. I love this stuff. $1. You can't go wrong with this. You can't. You just can't. Then I also use their press powder. I love their press powder. It's $1. But it works really good. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't know. I think it's great. I've always used it. I've used it for years. There's nothing wrong with my face. I don't know. We're doing good with it. Love it. $1. press powder, boop, 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 over my foundation. It looks good. We're good. And that's it. It's in a beige. I buy beige for my skin tone. Then, I don't know. I bought these. They look like really cool. If I want to stick them in my hair, or if I want to put them somewhere else, I don't know, I do a lot of crafts, so I figured, a little spring, you never know, you might need something, you might need like a little thing to go around something, I don't know, we'll figure out something. But I bought gold and I bought silver. So, I don't know, we'll try it. Then on the craft thingy, I bought more stuff for crafts. Let's see. I bought 3 packages of this. Actually, I bought more than that. I bought 5. I use these to tie back my curtains. I have like the sheer curtains, and I use them to tie back my curtains, and they look like so nice. What I did notice was these are 11 feet. When you're in the spring section, these were 11 feet. But when you go into the craft section, they're 9 feet. So, just to let you know that. Either they were 9 feet or 6 feet. I don't remember exactly, but they were a lot shorter than what this is. So you get 11 feet. So I bought 3 of them. Well, 3 I have here. Put all together. I think I actually bought like 5 or 6. So those are really good. Then I bought floral scissors. These are really good to have. I did a huge heart for the front window in my house. I have that actually posted on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, there's a link in my home screen. You could go on that, or creativechristeen at Instagram. So you can find me there, or there's a link down in the description box below. So I bought those. Then what else? I bought these napkin rings because I figured, if you need feet on something, these are always good to have. Comes 6 in a pack. They're really good to have like in your craft stash. They're nice. I use them to raise either it was my cable box, or I don't know, PS4 or PS2, whatever it is. I don't know. We had to lift it up because it wasn't getting enough air to one of the boxes. So I put 4 of them underneath the thing and we raised it up. So they work good. Batteries. What are they? AAA batteries. We always need them. Then I bought soap, personal care, cashmere vanilla. Let's smell it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like vanilla, almost like that honey vanilla that I think Soft Soap puts out. I think that's what it smells like. Or it actually smells like the vanilla from Bath and Body Works. It has that smell. So I bought 2 of them. And then going along with the crafting, I bought 3 things of ribbon. This one's a gingham check. This one has little white hearts on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one has the red and white hearts. Well, the white hearts on the red. I thought that was very pretty. If I put it on a wreath or something, I don't know, it's always good to have. Valentine's Day. Okay, I also bought these white stones. I thought they were really pretty. I figure if I need to weigh down a pot or something, or I don't know. I actually bought them to put in my makeup brushes. I tried the white sand. That didn't work. My brushes went, and that was it. They didn't go any further. So then I figured, we'll get these, and I'll put the brushes in, my makeup brushes in, I don't know, a jar with them. I thought, it'll look nice. Yeah, okay. It didn't go anywhere. You shoved it in, and it went nowhere. So what I bought it for, I'm not using it, so now I'm going to use it as a weight for something. Let's see what else. I bought a home sign. I figure I'm going to paint it black. My kitchen is black and white, well, white and black. I figure I'll paint it black against the white background, and I'll either make this red or, I don't know, do something with that. But, yeah, I thought that was nice. Then, for the tea tray, I found this. I thought that was really nice. I could write on that. I don't know, we'll see. We'll put it on the tea tray. I figured that would be cute. Then I bought this. I bought a roller cutter. I haven't tried it out. Tell me if you guys like it. Is it junk? I don't know. I haven't tried it, so I have no idea if it's good or not, so I can't recommend it. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be good. Then I bought this. It has all the little screwdrivers in it, the little screwdriver head. I thought it was really cute. Comes with a little screwdriver and then all the little heads that you need. See? And it's in one spot. Another thing for the tea tray, I thought this was very cute. You can either keep the saying that's in there, life is meant to be lived. That's so true. Or, I don't know, you could take that out and put whatever you want in there, a picture, another saying, I don't know, whatever you want to put in there. Put it on a tea tray, or put it wherever, put it on a shelf, put it somewhere. I think that's very cute. Then, I have like 2 more things. I bought these. I'm actually not going to keep them the way they are. I bought 4 of them. Because I have a AC unit in my living room that is absolutely so ugly, and I can't stand looking at it, that I made a cover. And I made this cover, and I have a sign hanging on top of the cover, and I will probably insert a picture. If I remember, I'll insert a picture next, so you can see what I'm talking about. I have like the Christmas one still up, so I'm gonna make a new one. So I figured I'd make it out of this, you know. Do a sign on the back, and then I have like a new sign for my ugly AC cover. And then last but not least, spring is coming. I actually bought more, but I can't. They're somewhere. They're in a bag somewhere else. I bought carrots. I've never grown them before. We're going to try that. I'll let you know what happens. And I bought chives. I don't know. We'll see how that works. I'm sure I'll have good luck with this. I don't know about the carrots, but I'll let you know. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So hopefully, I don't know, it'll go good. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. But, you know, let me know. Do you guys buy packets from there? I always buy, like, the packets. I bought cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, what else? I think I'm going to try watermelon this year. I don't know, but I love the little Kirby cucumbers. Love them. I buy them every single year. I plant them, and I do wonders with those. Those are great. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you liked it. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see, like, I don't know, this crazy nut from New York. So, bye for now. I hope to see you soon. Bye.